The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Windham County, southern Tolland County, southeastern Hartford County. 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Glastonbury, Vernon, Tolland, Coventry, Hebron. Radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm. Do not drive your vehicle through flood hazards. Include wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. For southwest Connecticut, this afternoon, inches.
I hope they get the flood advisory very soon.
Expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include North Adams, Villanite, North Adams State College Athletic Field, East Renfrew, Noel Field, West Summit, Soldiers Memorial Field, Bowens Corners, Rosick Whipple Square, Houghtonville, Hairpin Turn, Briggsville, Braytonville, Little Egypt, Maple Grove, Brayton Hill, Greylock and Savoy Center. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Now for the
Severe thunderstorm warning and flood advisory.
for northeastern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, south central Bennington County in southern Vermont. Eastern Daylight Time at 3:21 p.m. Inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flood. Noel Field, Whitcomb Summit, Villanite, Eastern Summit, East Renfrew, Braytonville, Renfrew, Brayton Hill, Soldiers Memorial Field, Hoosick Tunnel, and Drury.
Shut up, sorry.
Flood advice.
Flash flood warning! As we're about to depart for Olympia!
County in Rhode 25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Coventry, Plainfield, Killingly, Situate, Gloucester, Putnam, Brooklyn, West Greenwich, Foster, Pomfret, and Sterling. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of south counties through 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Wow. This is a thunderstorm warning. Again.
5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Portland or over Middletown, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. around 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. East Lime and Old Lime around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southwest County, Rhode Island, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and locations impacted include Medfield, North, Lincoln, Blackstone, Plainville, Millis, Upton, Hopeeville, and Linden. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Worcester County. Like areas. They will experience flash flooding include Lowell, Chelmsford, Drake, Westford, Tynesboro, and Carlisle. Now please.
Boat increase. Det er vi for det som morgen. National Weather Service out in New York and why 6:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday 2nd to 12th, 24. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, Southern Connecticut, West Chester County, and southeastern New York. And southeastern New York. County and southeastern New York. Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm report near Mount Augusta, moving south at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Wait, impact minor hail vehicles is possible. Expect with damage to roofs, so to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Petticoat around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Yorktown News around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mount Cathedral around 50 p.m. Daylight Time. Ultimate announced around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, area, road on the walls for the building.